Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to save Telegram photos and videos to gallery. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, go to your Telegram apps. Tap on this. Next, you can see that three dot icon. Tap on this icon. After that, go to your Telegram setting. Scroll down here. You can see that data and storage. Tap on this. Already you can see that save to gallery. Tap on this icon. Next, tap on this icon. Next, tap on this icon. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.